Most amazing salad mom used to make was a bacalhau salad. Salada de Bacalhau, it's a salad that is with a raw, rehydrated salt and dry fish. So this is what we have. And now we're ready to start making the salad. We have the marinade. Amazing. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. And today we're going straight to Portuguese tradition. I'm going to use this wonderful filet of bacalhau. Look how cute. It's salt and dried and raw. So I'm going to make a salad, and it's a really, really, really famous salad with a very naughty name that I will not say. I shall not say it. No, because it's Christmas and I want to receive my presents. I want to behave. We have someone that is naughty, right? Yes. The first memory of this salad is related to travel. Mom would make this salad when we were traveling and we were camping, and the flavors, they just, I can see it right now where he was in Andorra. And do you know where Andorra is, by the way? Leave in comments if you know. And mom made this beautiful salad, the white Tupperware, and even the Tupperware, I even remember that. I remember I was very little. I was very little. So, but it has this flavor that I absolutely love. So it's very simple. I'm just going to add cod that I'm going to take the fillets. I'm going to debone and take the skin out. Then I'm going to add half moons of onion, very thinly sliced. Then I'm going to add my favorite thing in the world, which is olives. I love olives, and I'm going to add them. Then you can add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and the salad is ready. Just so simple. I'm going to add the naughty name in hashtags, but I'm not going to say it. I don't want to say it. I don't think it's necessary, but I want you to know. If you go to Portugal, you will know which salad I'm talking about. But if you don't know, it's fine as well. One of the things I need for this is going to be my goggles, my onion goggles, because those of you that know me, I absolutely get my day ruined if I don't have my eye protection, because I swear this is insane. Okay, let's go for it. This was a very humble salad. Today is not humble anymore because everything is so expensive. It's insane. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drain my olives. So I'm going to tap. This is my tip to open easily. Time to chop the onions in fine half moons, and never forgetting my goggles. Because we love to travel as a family, I always bring this on the table for Christmas and New Year's Eve. So we step into traveling mode for the next year, because it's something that I absolutely adore. And so I just want to make sure to have this feeling of this trip and seeing beautiful things like we used to do when we were camping. When we were kids, we were always camping. That we would try different ways of lodging, and from there actually became my passion to become an hotelier. Look at that. This is like a really traditional cloth. So cute. Okay, so here we go. So now we start to separate the fish bones from the fish from the fish bones. Okay, let me show you. This recipe was born in times when people had very little. Bacalhau was preserved with salt for months. Onions were always available. Olive oil was gold, and most families would have it. And just with these few ingredients, we feed a family. Nowadays, we use it mostly as a starter. And the first thing I have to do is take the skin off. So now I'm going to start to take the fish bones, and I can feel it. And yes, we do it with our hands, you know, before there wasn't any gloves. And besides, why would I ever put any plastic into my food? I don't want it. I am drooling with this salad. It's so lovely. And in my house, we always called it the bacalhau salad. Salada de Bacalhau. Learn it. Learn Portuguese, my friends. Learn Portuguese. Apparently, Portugal and Portuguese is becoming very, very popular, and people have hard time to learn the language because it is so difficult. Bacalhau was always something that we would carry with us in our travels, because we didn't have, you wouldn't lose the integrity of the fish, isn't it? It was that and a can of canned foods. So that's why I love sardines, canned sardines. Oh, I'm drooling again. There we go. Take the fish bones, and then we have to confirm there is no fish bones. Where we know, as a Portuguese person, I have already a GPS that tells us where the fish bones are. So when we are doing this, we know already where they are usually. So it's very easy for us. But it's just that's because we are Portuguese, you know. Because you're not Portuguese, you have to do it a little bit slower. Or Scotland, they know already where the fishbone for salmon is. I don't. You see, so I'm not being cocky, I'm just saying, stating the truth. On the other hand, Norway, they know where the fish bones of the codfish are, and the salmon, they know both. So sometimes we dry the codfish. Right now, I'm just going to show you that actually is not very wet. So now I'm just going to put it in a very super fun plate. After all, it's a fun dish. It's a beautiful salad. Oh my word, I'm in love. Okay. Again, I'm tasting. I'm tasting food control. Food control. Food control. Now, I'm going to add the slices of the onions like this. And of course, I always grab like a bunch. Maybe too much, maybe not. Yeah, I love my olives. Now you just mix everything like this. And you add a little drizzle, very small drizzle of olive oil. And then like that. Look how precious. Why? Let me see if this is good. It is. I'm going to add Mom's Marinade. And Mom now would say, be careful with the towel. Absolutely. Okay, let's bring here the marinade. And this is my family's recipe of the Salada de Bacalhau. Just the beginning, and someone is already committing a food crime. Look at these little fellas, so naughty. Peyton is grabbing an olive, and there he is. Look at that. And I believe that they are clearly Portuguese elves at heart. What do you think? Now, salad time. Now it's time to add my favorite sauce. And boom, boom, boom. Now look at this beauty. I am dying to try. I'm dying to try. Look at this beauty. It's too good.